Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can equip your weapons, pickaxes, and your armors. Grab your backpack, and if you're not in the equipment section, you'll need to go there. Select the weapon that you want to use. I'm going to equip this one, and then for the armor, I'm going to equip the chest plate, as well as the helmet, even if it makes me look so silly. But it's easier to fight zombies with it. So let me try to fight one with this. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!